Hello everyone, today it's time for a cleanup video and I got this fixture in England. It's the GEC or GEC, I don't know how you should pronounce it, 9454. Got it on the trip to England and I kind of like the really deep bowl that these fixtures have. It's a 90 watt SOX fixture and it looks like it's in a very good condition. Only the lamp holder is missing, but we will be trying to recreate the original lamp holder and hopefully make it work. So the lantern opens with this clip, which reminds me of some of the helix fixtures which also have like a metal clip that pretty much keeps the entire fixture together. And this is what it looks like from the inside. Just a very simple standard old fixture design, I guess. I think we will be first starting to clean the bowl and the fixture itself, and then we'll try to make a lamp holder. So the bowl got quite clean. It's hard to make it fully clean without water since it's all kind of frozen. And this thing also quite nice, but probably going to clean it a little bit better whenever the summer comes around. But all of the water is basically frozen, so. But I want to try to make this thing work. And we are needing a lamp holder for that. I have quite a lot of these metal strips with these holes in it, and I think we can make it work with this low pressure sodium socket. So we'll just mount it on there and then bend the metal strip and screw it onto here. So let's do that. So there's one last important piece missing to an English streetlight fixture, and that's of course the photocell. So we'll put that thing on as well, like this. It's disconnected, but I mean still for the looks. There's actually quite old low pressure sodium bulb in here, a 90 watts one that I replaced a few weeks ago, and it's from 2012, but it still looks brand new, and they were in a sort of abandoned street light, so I wonder if the bulb will still work. But yeah, let's turn the thing on and see what it does. And it still does work. Nice. I'm very happy with the fixture. And the bulb's still kind of struggling, probably because it's hasn't been turned on for like 20 years or something. It's a really old bulb. But yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I'll make a collection video about it, and then we'll take a look at the fixture in a bit more detail. But thanks a lot for watching. Have a nice day, and see you in the next video.